Let's know about the symptoms of heart disease and its most effective solutions. The symptoms of heart block or heart diseases can vary depending on the severity of the condition. Common symptoms associated with heart block or heart diseases. Symptoms of heart block: heartbeat irregularities, arrhythmia, slow heartbeat, bradycardia, irregular or fast heartbeat, tachycardia, fatigue and weakness, feeling unusually tired and struggling with daily activities, pressure or heaviness, a heavy or pressing sensation in the middle or left side of the chest, nausea and dizziness, sudden dizziness or fainting, angina, chest pain or pressure that can make breathing difficult, oxygen deficiency, cold hands and feet or pale bluish skin. General symptoms of heart diseases: chest pain or pressure, a pressing or painful sensation in the center of the chest which may radiate to the shoulders, neck, or jaw, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing either while walking or lying down, unusual swelling, swelling in the feet, ankles, or abdomen, weakness and fatigue, persistent exhaustion or difficulty focusing on tasks, sudden sweating or discomfort, cold sweats appearing suddenly with feeling of discomfort. When to consult a doctor? If you experience any of the symptoms mentioned earlier, it is crucial to consult a doctor immediately. Heart block or heart diseases may sometimes require urgent medical attention. The sooner treatment begins, the better the outcomes. The most effective solutions for treating heart disease: Natural Heart Booster. Heart Booster by Natural Immunotherapy, a specialized natural solution designed to clear blockages in the circulatory system and normalize blood flow. It aids in restoring proper vascular functions and enhances overall heart health. Key features and benefits: improves blood circulation, eliminates blockages in blood vessels and ensures smooth blood flow throughout the body, protects the heart, helps strengthen the heart and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Natural and safe. Made entirely from natural ingredients with no side effects. Boosts energy and vitality. Improves circulation, relieving fatigue and bringing renewed energy to the body. Promotes a healthy lifestyle. Enhances immunity and supports overall health, paving the way for a healthier life. Take care of your heart and circulatory system with Heart Booster by Natural Immunotherapy. Experience a new level of wellness in your daily life. For more details, contact Save Medha Foundation.